Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Alex, and this is Streamin Dreams. So I know what you're thinking, another product video. Well, I'm gonna try and make this one short, okay? I'm gonna go over a couple RV essential items that, you know, in these first 6 months of being a rookie, if you will, we have found these items to be extremely helpful. So if you guys have questions about any of these items, please leave a comment down below. And for the sake of time, let's go ahead and put a timer up here and see if I can keep this under 5 minutes. First up is going to be your power cord, okay? Most of the time, this is going to come with your RV. So if you buy used, make sure that the previous owner has it and is supplying you with that item. With that being said, make sure to invest in a quality surge protector. It is absolutely vital in case of a power outage, lightning strike, anything. You know, you're definitely gonna wanna have a quality surge protector. I will shoot to a shot of ours here in a minute because it's actually in use as it's sitting in our driveway right now. So, next up is going to be this adapter called a dog bone. It's going to go from 50 amp to 30 amp. So this is going to be extremely useful if you are at a campsite. If for some reason, maybe all the 50 amp sites are already in use. Well, you can use this, switch down to 30 amp. Yes, it'll be a lower power, but at least you'll have some. So you just pull into the site, you get out of your vehicle, you're about to unload the trailer, but wait a minute, you haven't stabilized it. Hex Shocks. Bam. This is going to ensure that your rig is not going to roll away once you unhook. Super easy, super simple. Put it between two wheels. Comes with this incredible little wrench here. Goes both ways, flip of a switch, put it on top, give it a couple cranks, good to go. Next up are the leveling blocks. Kind of fit together like Lego pieces and kind of build a little castle in your spare time, I guess, if you wish. You can use them to level the trailer. They have a lot of different options. I'll shoot to a shot of those because, again, they're currently in use. Anderson levelers. Probably seen videos before, how-tos, everything else. Set them underneath your wheel, just like so. Roll back. They start to lift, and you can get all this room to level out the trailer. Once you found the right height, slip the chalk in, lock it in place, and boom, it's going to be level. That coupled with the Level Mate Pro, I can show you a shot of that as well. Super easy. App on the phone, check it out. Lets me know if I'm sitting side to side, front to back. Get that nice, smooth weekend. Fresh water drinking hose. Absolutely vital. These are typically BPA free. Along with that, you're going to want to have a pressure regulator. Most rigs, I think, are about 40 PSI. Some of these campsites are going to have, you know, water pressure that is a little too strong and it could potentially burst your pipes. So you definitely don't want that. Invest in this little piece here. Super cheap, super easy. Freshwater filter. This is going to remove sediments, chlorine, any type of buildup, bacteria, odors, bad taste, so much more. Simple, easy. If you're cooking in your RV, you definitely want to have potable water. It's going to be fresh. Showers as well. I mean, this is just a vital piece. Now it's time to get down to the nasty, the dirty. Okay, I definitely recommend getting a good sewage hose. The one we use, Volterra Viper. It has this clear elbow. Yes, I washed it before I did this video. But clear, why clear? Well, I want to make sure my tanks are clean at the end of the day. So this allows me to see, I know I don't always want to see it, but I can see that when this water is running clear, that it is clean. Extremely important. That brings me to these porta packs right here. This will help break down any toilet paper, waste, and it also gives off kind of a more pleasant smell than what would normally be going down there. So, highly recommend these. This little beauty right here, the Sidewinder. So, you take it off, stretch it out, and it goes from the business end of your sewage hose. Sewage hose snakes all the way around and goes right into the dump station. Nice thing about this, gravity does all the work. You hit the release, set it and forget it. Quick, easy, and you're done. These are just a few of the RV essentials. This is by no means a complete list. There are so many items that you will find while you are on the road. An extra water hose you may need, spare backup batteries, just tons of extension cords and adapters. But these are some of the items that can get you on the road and get down in a clean, safe way. If there are some things that, you want to see or that can recommend to us that maybe we haven't even thought of, leave a comment. Let us know about it. We want to figure it out. As a disclaimer, we are Amazon affiliated, so any purchase that you make, we may receive a small little kickback on that. But that just helps the channel grow and brings these type of videos to you guys. So definitely like, subscribe, and let us know what you think. All right, thank you guys.